Hey, Scott Warner back here again. Welcome to the blog and the channel. Like, subscribe. I appreciate it. Comment below there in the blog if you want. I like to read what you got to say about this. Okay, so I'm demoing Jeremy Kennedy's auto lead machine today here. Now, this is how you get leads very quickly, and you can make a lot of money basically. If you want to, it's a very unique traffic source, and you can make a lot of money with this. Kennedy lays it out clean. He tells you, teach you how everything step by step. It's got a normal. It's got all the results here. You see how many leads he's pulled in already. It gets you leads fast. So if you need to build a list very quickly for whatever reason, you could use it for anything. You could send do solo ad traffic with this because you build up leads so fast. This traffic source at a very inexpensive price, by the way, compared to say like Google search or whatever, or Facebook or something like that. Plus, this is very targeted traffic, and as you can see, the leads coming very, very fast. I'm telling you. Now, unannounced bonus, the traffic exists. It teaches you about it, which is really good traffic for make money online type stuff. It gives you a whole course on this. This blew me away when I bought it. It teaches you how to create your own Warrior Plus courses and things like that. Each one of these videos look, this is like 2 hours, 37 minutes. I mean, it goes step by step. This one's hour 36 minutes. Same for each one of these. He walks it down, breaks everything down. Plus, he drops enormous amounts of gold nuggets in his training. Jeremy Kennedy, he's really cool. He gives you a lot of bonuses. Look at all this. There's another one down here, the Advanced Affiliate Workshop, $200 course basically, and teach you advanced affiliate methods. Plus, you can get the upgrades. If you want to. I picked up the case study myself. It was amazing. It taught me quite a bit. Now, if you're interested in building a list very quickly, this is where you want to go right here. The auto lead machine. You can click the link below down there. Comment. I appreciate your comments. That's Scott Horner, Frank Furnace High, signing out. Bye.